Alright, this video I'm going to show you how to clean stained glass. And this hasn't been cleaned in a while. First I'm going to rinse it. And I'm going to put some magic powder on there. And I am going to work it in with this scrubbing pad. Maybe a little more water. Let's see. You can see it's already coming more shiny. I'm not even scrubbing real hard. And this stuff cleans it up real quick. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you what it is. I'm just going to scrub some of these so you can see what it looks like. A little bit here. But you can see it's already coming more silvery color. And the patina's coming right off. Quick note here, you're going to want to wear gloves because this stuff will dry your skin out and maybe possibly irritate it. So make sure you take a safety precaution. And we'll rinse it. And look at the difference. Alright, the secret ingredient is Barkeeper's Friend. And that's what's active in it. And it shines the metal up real good. You just let it do the work. You don't have to scrub it real hard. It works out great. I hope this helps. And please subscribe to my channel and help me out. And have a blessed day.